Hello, this is the video for page 279 and 280, which I just dropped. This is the page we're working on. This one, I think I flipped it. This is 279, this is 280. Okay, now when I'm referring to, I've showed you the snake paper. This is your boat speed drill paper, and you will do one each day. You can do it all at once. I don't care, just as long as you get it done, because I will be using this and taking it as part of your grade. We talked on our last video about rounding, and we reviewed adding and subtracting, but we're going to review some more adding and some more subtracting with borrowing and adding with carrying. The first one is 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 8 is 18. Bring down your 8, carry your 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. The answer is 168. We're still adding. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 9 is 11. Bring down your 1, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 6 is 8. Bring down that comma. You have to remember to bring down your comma. At the bottom, don't put it at the top. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 6,817. We have another one of these. I hope you are getting these. Go through your steps every time. You cannot take 2 from 0. You cannot borrow from this 0. You cannot borrow from this 0. But you can borrow from this 8. You borrow from the 8, make it a 7. Make this 0 a 10. Now we can borrow. Make it a 9. Make this a 10. Now we can borrow. Make it a 9. And make this a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. Bring down your comma. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2,778. Now let's look at this. This is the rounding part. What digit is always in the ones place when we count by tens? When we're counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. What digit is always in the ones place? The 0. What are the two tens 34 is between? So we're looking at the number 34. What is that number between? And I don't think that's showing up very well, so let me get another pen. Okay, we have our number line. Think in your head. This is where it's divided. 34 would be right here. Our two tens would be 30 and 40. So is 34 closer to 30 or is it closer to 40? With our little imaginary divided line, it would be closer to 30. So 34 rounds to 30. What number is in the middle of the number line? 35 is in the very middle. So anything that has a 5 in the ones place is going to be rounded up. Anything that has a 4 or lower in the ones place is going to be rounded down. So if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 in the ones place, it is rounded up to the next 10. And if it's 4, 3, 2, or 1 in the tens place, it is rounded down to the 10. Down 1 10. Okay, now what number? No, sorry, I got off track. This is the page you're going to be doing. Big red X through this. You do not have to do this. You do have to do the front. Then on the back, it shows you rounding to the nearest 10, the numbers 11 through 19 between 10 and 20. 10, 20, and the number's 11. The number 15 is in the middle, so you round it up to 20. If it's below, you round it to 10. You're going to color the numbers pink, that's rounded to 30, and color the numbers blue, that's rounded to 40. Find 35. Color 35 through 40, blue. Color 30 through 34, pink. And then you'll have to round these. 27 is between what two numbers? Hint, hint, look at the first 10, that would be 20. What comes after 20 when you're counting by tens? 20, 30. And then what is it rounded to? The 7 would be closer, so you would circle the 30. So you need to complete this page. Parents, you might have to go over this several times with them. This is a very new concept they've never had before this year. So please help them as much as you can with this. Thank you. And I will see you on the next video.